Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to upgrade to TrustSync premium plans and access all the exclusive features. Let's get started. Open the TrustSync app in Shopify dashboard. Navigate to the Subscriptions tab in the left side panel under TrustSync. You will then find all the premium pricing plans along with their available features in one place. From here, you can upgrade from free to any premium plan or from a premium plan to higher price plans. Click on the Choose button to select your preferred plan. Check the plan details, then hit the Checkout button to proceed. You will be redirected directly to the Shopify payment page. Choose your preferred payment method, credit or debit card or PayPal. Click on the Approve button to approve the payment. Once you have provided the necessary payment information, your TrustSync plan will be upgraded. From the Subscription tab, customers can see the current plan that they are using and also upgrade to higher plans. This is how easily you can upgrade to TrustSync premium plans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All the best.